I've been using GoMining for a little over 2 years now, and I have a really good system to maximize my return on investment. And I just wanted to show you all the features that I use in this app. And if you're unfamiliar with GoMining, GoMining has its own crypto token, which is GMT or GoMining token. And you can use this to pay for your electricity and maintenance fees. And you can see without GoMining token, you're earning a net 13 sats per day for 1 terahash per second. And you can see with GMT, when you get the maximum 20% discount, you collect all 46 sats and it takes a little over 0.67 GMT. And you can see that the APR goes from a little over 25% all the way up from 38%. Pretty significant in my opinion. And one last thing about APRs. So the larger miner you have, the less you have to pay per terahash. So if you look down here, it says total it's 50.05 GoMining or $14.99. And then head back to your miners tab and click upgrade. And I have a miner that has 39 terahash per second as an example. So I click custom and then hit continue. You can see that 1 terahash cost me $12.46 and I have a total APR of 46.57%, which is pretty good for a current Bitcoin price of a little over $77,000. If it does go back up over 100,000, this APR should be pretty dang nice. So now that that's out of the way, the main point of this video is to show you how to use the governance or liquidity system to cover your daily GMT maintenance and electricity fees. And on the buy screen, you know I mentioned that 1 terahash was going to cost about 0.67 GMT. Well, that was with a 20% discount. And as you can see here, I have actually a 25.46. So the math is going to be a little different for me. And if you click where it says discount, it'll kind of bring up some stats. And you can see here that with my 25.46% discount, I'm saving 1 entire GMT per day. And if you look down at my maximum discount, and I'm going to explain this, you can see that I have 442 days of maintenance for locked tokens with 124 days of maintenance for unlocked tokens. And basically, you need to have this over the 20% mark, and anything over 365 days is going to get you there. You can see I have well over 500, so I have no risk of going under 20% anytime soon. So now that we can see what I'm saving, let's go to my rewards tab and see what they're taking out per day. So you can see in my rewards, I have 1.94 GMT for electricity and 0.96 for service. So this ends up being a total of 2.9 GMT per day just for maintenance. But the good news is that with only 44 terahash per second, I'm earning over 2,000 sats per day, which is pretty nice. So now that we have these figures, I'm just going to take 2.9 and divide it by 44, and it ends up being just a sliver over 0.066 GMT per day. So how am I going to be able to cover that 0.66 GMT per day? Well, if you go back to your main screen, and on the very top left, they have the little 3 lines. You click that, scroll down, and you can see where it says governments, and you're going to click my lock. And in here you can see I have a total of 1,650 total locked GMT, which gives me 1,627 votes, which is a little bit arbitrary. It does help a little bit, but 1,600 is pretty insignificant. And you can see that my total rewards are 145.66 GMT. But I want to buy some more terahash, so I need to lock more tokens first. And you can see down here where I have the 1,491 tokens locked. That 135 above it was an accident. I just like to put it in one thing. So you can see where it says view, which is click that. And in here you can see my total earned, which is a 131.78 GoMining token. It's locked for another 208 weeks. I kind of extend this over time because it increases the rewards and I don't really care about the locked tokens. But if you want to add something, you can see where it says 1,500 lock. You're going to hit the plus button. And then here you can see reward calculator. You can go to that if you want to see exactly how much you're going to get. So let's scroll down here. Let's choose the amount. I have 463.75 GoMining. And I think I'm going to add another 200. And let's see what that gets us. And as you can see, with another 200, it'll earn us basically 1 GoMining token per week. But remember, this is a weekly reward. And when we're comparing our terahash, that was a daily reward. And if you remember the math before, it was 0.066 per day. Times that by a week, and it comes out to just under half a GoMining token. So essentially the loose math is that for every 100 GoMining token that you lock, it should cover your maintenance fees for 1 terahash per second. But remember, you can't lock them all because if you have no unlocked GoMining token for it to use for maintenance, it won't cover anything. But anyway, let's lock this up real quick. So let's click next. I'm gonna click lock. I'm gonna click confirm. And let it load for a second. And there it is, lock amount upgraded. I can view my lock real quick. You can see it says total 1500. Maybe it hasn't updated that. Anyway, let's go back to our maintenance. But anyway, back in our miners tab, let's go back to our discount. I'm going to show you the difference in, days locked and available GoMining token, because I went from 460 and now I have 260. And now you can see that I have 495 days locked and only 70 days of unlocked GoMining token, which is plenty in my opinion. So now that I just locked some more tokens, let's increase my terahash. So let's head back, and then I'm going to click upgrade miner. I'm going to come back to my 39 terahash per second miner. Going to buy 1 terahash per second. This will bring me from 1808 sats per day up to 1854. Not bad. Anyway, let's click pay, and then I'm going to click confirm your purchase. And there it is. I upgraded my miner. I now have officially 50 terahash per second between all of my miners. Pretty nice. And in the future, I should be able to buy another 1 terahash per second. I want to let my GoMining token build up a little bit before I get there. I don't want to get too low as far as my total unlocked tokens. So one major advantage that I have is that I'm a GoMining ambassador. That means for any referral that I have, if they purchase something, I actually get a cut of their electricity and maintenance fees. Or at least their electricity. But basically what this means, it's a little like the liquidity. I get a little bit of passive income. It's not a ton. Let me scroll down and show you real quick. But it's also definitely not insignificant. And this kind of gives me a baseline, to get my daily GoMining tokens, get my maintenance paid for. But this doesn't grow at the rate if I want to keep buying terahash. I still pretty much have to do the liquidity program that I do at this point. And as far as referrals go, you can see you get 5% cash back if you use somebody's referral code on their first purchase. And for any purchase or upgrade, or boost or miner wars, which I don't do, I just do the solo mining. The person who gets their referral code used gets 5% of what they purchased in GMT. And I just use that for the liquidity and buying more terahash. I pretty much reinvest everything that my referral codes give me. So the last thing I wanted to do in this video is show you a withdrawal to my Coinbase wallet. So when you set up with GoMining, it's actually really easy. You go into your Bitcoin, and then when you do your withdrawal, all you have to do is put your Bitcoin address in one time, and at that point it's going to be automatic. So let's click withdrawal. Also, the minimum is 10,000 sats. So I have a little over 10,000, so we'll just go with that. So withdraw BTC via Bitcoin. You can see there's a fast, which comes right away, which has a withdrawal fee of 6,000 sats, or you can do within 24 hours with 0 fees. So I do the 0 fees. It comes usually within 8 or 12 hours. It's pretty good. So I just click that, and then I'm going to go to amount. We're going to put in 0.0001. Give it a second to type up. I guess it just maxed out. That's good with me. So let's click next, and then we're going to click confirm withdrawal. And then it's going to send me an email to my Gmail account, and I'm going to put in the code. I'll be right back. And after putting in the confirmation code, you can see the withdrawal was confirmed, and it'll be in my Coinbase wallet within 24 hours. And there's actually one quick thing I wanted to go over. And the GoMining ambassador on Telegram, the guy I report to if anybody has any questions, asked me to talk about Simple Earn. So let's click what is Simple Earn. And basically, in more or less words, Simple Earn is a feature that lets you earn interest on your wallet. And honestly, I usually just withdraw my Bitcoin once I hit 10,000, earning over 2,000 a day. It happens over once a week. So I don't earn a ton from this, but anybody looking to get more passive income. And how to turn it on is really easy. Just go to your wallet tab. You'll see a Simple Earn toggle. Just make sure it's on, and it'll start working for you. So if you're willing to invest in some GMT, GoMining actually has pretty good APRs with a 20% discount, even at this Bitcoin price. And with GoMining being over 5 years old, being a multi-million-dollar corporation, it's as trusted as it gets. So let me know what you think about this system. And I plan to make GoMining videos a little more often, whenever they have a major update, and at least every 6 months to give you all an account update. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my GoMining referral code that you see on the screen. It's also provided in the description. It costs you nothing, helps give me a little passive income through GMT, helps get these videos out faster, and is greatly appreciated. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out early. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps. I'll do the ambassador program or like referrals, but no direct money or direct sponsorship to make sure these videos come out as unbiased as possible. So when you do buy a membership, it really does make my day, goes directly to the channel, and just want to know it's so greatly appreciated. But anyways, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.